Awesome! I've buffed these probably 2 or 3 times, and now they're at the point where they're just cracking out. They're so old. So we're gonna replace them. We might be lucky, because if you look at the new light, there's just these tabs on the bottom. So next we'll get our Phillips out here, and we'll get this all loosened up here. My finger, take that, push it on there, hold it for about 10 seconds, and that'll give you an imprint of what the bolt looks like. Looks like it matches my 8mm. Bingo. Could have even used the Phillips. Now, a lot of cars will still have plastic clips here. This one don't. Should be able to pull this right on out. All this is friction clips through here. Oh, almost slipped. Now, pull my light out. So we got the one plug. Another thing you want to watch for when you're taking the bumper off, but not all the way, you want to be careful where the bumper touches the fender. You might even put some tape down to keep from scratching. Shouldn't be doing that. So then you get your brand new lens. See, these just pop in right here and there. And then 2 bolts on the top. Bop bolts. That bumper sits down harder now. This is one thing I noticed in a lot of cars that get missed. This is the easy one to get, and these are 2 easy ones to get. But you don't want to forget this guy right here. See that guy right here?
Hello.
A lot of them are different. Some of them are that, but you always want to make sure there's a guide pin on that fender, and that keeps that gap looking right. It's real easy to spot out a car that's had it replaced, and they did a job, because that won't look right. Be a big gap or whatnot. Make sure that one's lined up so it's nice and smooth. Well, that's bolted in there. That's sitting there. Before we want to put all this together, we need to make sure they work first. Let's check. Did it turn on? Did I plug it in? Yep. Plugging it in makes a big difference. Who'd have thunk it? Everything works that I care about. I think it's got some daytime running lights too, but now we know all those lights work. Let's put this bumper back on. One thing to consider when popping this on is make sure your absorber, the little foam piece in there, is sitting right. Otherwise this won't go on right. So I'm gonna get my bag of screws and put this all back together. Awesome! Start with your finger first. Way before you ever put a tool on it. You just want to take your time and kind of get them in like that. Don't force them, but just push it down. Or you can screw it down. But you want to make sure you save all 4 of those. That's how they work. take your time. You don't have to buy anymore. I guess that concludes putting new headlights on an 09 Kia Optima. What do you think, guys? It's a big improvement to where we were. Hey, come here.
You knew I was about to sit down, didn't you?
Yeah,
You knew I was mid-sitting.
You want to keep whining or come see what I did for you?
Well, you want to come see what he did for...
What the crap? That's not bright. That looks like a brand new car. It looks like a Malibu. That's crazy.
I
got spirit fingers. See, those what they looked like before? You couldn't even see through them.
Yeah.
That's
Hey, take 2 steps to the right for me.